Welcome, welcome. Wanna run come. Members only today. Yeah. We have something for the talk. We go talk people business, yeah. Yeah. So, wanna come in. Make yourself comfortable. Put up on a foot. And put yourself to a drink. We go chat people business here today. Oh, come to the now tell me what go on around here. Me take me days to find out that information. Find out, say, that me never know, say, the tea girl or tea girl, say, the man down a chorus out, 13, rub her out and turn her in a butter. Yeah, cake butter. Yeah, over the shop there. Yeah, me see him over there. Yes, and rub her out and talk about bag of things. Yeah, him all say, cause me here, say, I'm a tea girl trouble him because she said she knew somebody down a Sorosora, wherever it's out there. And 13 say that a hobby a woman, a hobby a man or whoever, hobby a whatever hobby she get from down there. But me no understand it because she go to Jamaica the other day, so Jamaica hobby no good. Anyway, I don't there she get hobby from. But at the end of the day, the hobby now work, she fi ask for her money back because the hobby now work. So anyway, the thing what me I go say now, as she shovel him, but me see one of that thing I go on when me walk about. You know the man there, Andrea. Him a pretty man in have some kind of argument or fight. Yes. He threw some big, the professor man, Andre, yeah. He threw some big thesaurus dictionary. He missed me head back. Me nearly knocked me out. Yeah. Me don't know some of my word them when I talk, Yeah, all kind of word. Yes. He threw all kind of thesaurus after pretty man. But me not walk past and he nearly catch me. Yeah. So what the person thing I go on the internet or the tube and the book face, but me nah hear what I go on. Through me so busy. But anyway, one of the little thing, me see I go on. Me see one funny little shop. Some funny little shop I spring up all about the place. One of them are some kind of code. Some kind of code you have to use to get in there. And me my talk say, Lord, is trending at the moment. Pandy, the book face and the tube because everywhere you go, every person go, them see her up in a people shop and sing thing. But me I think say, this a code I see the code over there before so I code I try to promote her. And the code say, yeah, I kind of thing the code I say. But the only reason why people have her up in them shop all about the place is because she talk a lot of poop. Yeah, just a go around and poop with place. So, yeah, so, and that's why people put her up. Me not see which part she a trend. She not trending for me anyway. So, I that little bit me here anyway. So, back to the tea girl. The tea girl look like say, me don't know if she get contract. Because you know what the people them, what the lady don't have the lady, let's do some maths again. 50 plus 50 minus 1, yeah. She promote the bun people them, yeah. And Miss Tea girl say she a do bun test. She a test bun, a test bun, a sample bun, and I say which one come out taste better. And she put the lady, the bun where the lady promote down, so the 50 plus 50 minus 1, do the maths, yeah. she said a bun that tastes better than the rest. So me no know whether at the peace bus she want get pan the blue bus. But lady, I think you should make her go on the bus. I think she a cry peace. I must have that she a do. Or maybe she get one contract for work for the people there. But pudding season a come up. And I probably that too she a try to promote her business. But the man down at the Coroso or Soroso, him say that at Jamaica she a go. Me no know. Him say she put her on sale when she a go to Jamaica. But me no know. And he say something else. But her pooper. But me no want to say nothing. Because me no want no litigation or litigation also. So me a keep it zip. Yeah. And that him say. So me no know anywhere. Wagwan and a wagwan. Because Wolipa sitting a galang. Wolipa galang means round there, so I go on. Yeah. So tea lady must have look a contract with the, with a company there, because she say bun tastes better than one of the bun. I think HDB or BBB. Me no know what. So at that she says, so me no understand it anywhere. Why all of a sudden? She said the bun tastes good because that's not her character at all. She not normally give a honest review when it comes to cake and baking. Because she normally says she's the best baker. So, me no understand it anyway. So, and that me I go say, anyway, me I go anyway. We no say nothing anyway. Me have to go get some more, because me behind with all the news what go on the tube and on the internet at the moment. So, me have to go, do a little bit more running around and see what's galangins. All right then. Yeah. Foreign man is out now. Yeah. Gone.